Hey y'all, I'm Paula Deen. You want a treat? Yeah. Y'all, the first recipe that I'm going to share with y'all today is called a chocolate gooey unwashed potatoes. And it's one of those recipes that you're going to love because you start with just a stick of melted butter. So, I mean, that's a great start to a delicious, easy dessert. And we're going to add a little something different, though, to our mix. We're going to start with a stick of melted butter and a stick of butter that's been brought to room temperature. And we're just going to beat that until it's creamy. Okay, I've got this creamed nice and smooth together. Now I'm going to add an egg and give it another quick beat. Okay, now I'm going to add a teaspoon of butter. Now, if y'all will remember, if y'all are a big fan of the gooey butter cakes, this is mainly the ingredients that go in the gooey butter cakes. We've got a stick of melted butter, we've got melted butter, we've got the butter, but it's just the way that these are incorporated. They're incorporated all together rather than the different layers of the normal gooey butter cake. Okay, you can see how stiff our batter is, but it's still not quite stiff enough. We want to make sure that when we put our cookie in the oven, it's not going to spread all over our cookie sheet like I like to do.
No, you don't. Yes, I do. Oh, yes, I do.
Little chubby girl. Sometimes he's gonna pop open on me.
God darn it. Sometimes they'll pop open on me like that and just scare the mud out of me.
Just like that. All right. Ouch. It's not gonna be long before we're all eating potatoes. Okay.